Week 4, lesson 8. This is a lesson on how to find probabilities given either a two-way table or a Venn diagram or both. So let's take a look at this first example. 30 people purchased snow cones, 12 purchased raspberry. I think we've done this one before. It says organize the information in a two-way table and a Venn diagram. So let's do that first. Ta-da! Okay, so now that I've got it organized in my two-way table and my Venn diagram, if I look at question A, what's the probability that a person chosen at random purchased raspberry? Now, again, you can look at either one personally. I'm going to look right here. I know in this circle that there are 12 people. Okay, so 12 people out of the 30 purchased raspberry, and that reduces to 2/5. Okay, now part B, I'm going to read the given part first. All right, so it says, given they got cherry. So given they got cherry is these 19 people, right? There are 19 people that got cherry. So then we want a person chosen at random purchased raspberry. I need the raspberry people out of that blue circle. That's those 7. Okay, so again, kind of like on the last lesson, given means you're not looking at the whole picture, you're looking at a little piece of the picture. Okay, on this one, again, I'm going to draw a diagram. I'm going to have that magically appear for you, just like that. So if I'm organizing this deck of cards only based on black cards and aces, okay, just black cards and aces. If you look in, and I'll try and circle it. If I look in this, hold on, highlighter. This circle is all the black cards, right? Altogether, there are 26 black cards. And then the other circle is all the aces, right? There are 4 aces. And in the overlap, right, the intersection, there are 2 because there are 2 black aces. Okay, so now, and then this 24 on the outside, right here highlighted in yellow, those are the 24 other cards that aren't black and aren't aces. Okay, so I've organized all my information. So now let me see if I can answer question A. What's the probability that the card, right, a single card is a black card? Well, there are 26 black cards out of the 52, which reduces to 1/2. Okay, part B. The probability that she draws an ace given it's a black card. Okay, so given that it's a black card, my denominator is no longer 52. My denominator is 26. Okay, now how many aces are there in that black circle? There are 2, and that reduces. All right, and then part C, this is a different given. All right, given it's an ace. Okay, so this time I'm looking here in this circle. My denominator is now 4, right? The given changes where you look. So now, out of that green circle, how many are black? 2 of them are. So that is a 1/2.